Hey, welcome back, or welcome. So we're doing our hair again, and I got my hair rebraided. So we're really doing this thing. So today I'm showing you guys a Vpart wig from Beautyforever, and it's cute, it's nice. I want to show you everything and how the hair look out the packaging, because after I washed it, it's wavy. So this is one of their like wet and wavy wigs. Of course, you can straighten it and wear it straight, or you can wear it like I'm wearing it in its natural state, which is this really nice like deep wave. So we're just putting the wig on, and this is a V part. So I love that the parting space on this, well, not even like the parting space, but the gap is not as wide. So this was like perfect. You don't have to leave out too much hair. It is 5 inches in length, so it's a really nice natural like parting area space. This unit comes with, I think, 5 clips, but I only clip the front 2 because that's the most comfortable for me, and then I use the combs on the side and stick them under the braid. And when I tell y'all this braid down, like braiding your hair down and then putting on these half wigs is like so much better than how I used to do it. So much better. I wore this wig all weekend. I didn't even take it off. I slept in it. So yeah. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to blend your hair with like a wavy curly texture without having to do too much. So we're going to clip one side away, and we're going to start on the other side. So I am going to crimp a little bit of my hair and then some of the wig's hair so that it just goes together. It just blends. It's gonna look amazing. You'll see. The crimper I'm using is by Revlon. I got this on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description box if you're interested in this one. I have like 3 different ones, and they all wave your hair differently. I feel like this one is perfect for the deep wave hair look. Like, you just wait till I finish this little section so you can see how amazing that looks. That literally looks like I did nothing. It blends amazingly, so we're gonna keep going. This looks so good. This blends so good. Also, I did dye this hair black. It comes in like a natural brown color, which you guys saw in the beginning. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, than I see commas, they going down, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the bucks, boy, let me be honest. And I'm just fluffing it out, blending it through. It's not going to be perfect at all. The messier, the better. Look at the blend. It's amazing. I know. So, yeah, I did one side, and I'm just going to move on and do the other side really quickly. just can't get over how good this looks. I love me a good crimp. Y'all know, I think I crimp like every hair that I have. It's easy and it lasts much longer. Like as the days go on, the crimps fall a little bit, but your hair just looks better and better. So we love that, and it's just easy, like an easy go-to style if you want something that's gonna last and you don't have to do too much. So I turned up the brightness on my camera really quickly so you guys can see the actual texture of the hair and how my hair blends in with the hair. And this Vpart wig is 24 inches long. I also have a cap size small and it fits amazing, like the perfect fit. And now I'm just gonna add some hairspray to my edges so they'll stay. And honestly, I'm ditching the edge control because it wears off, but hairspray, your edges will stay all day long, and they don't turn white. So I love using hairspray now. It's just so easy. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay my edges down and then we'll be done. And that is it. I will be sure to link this wig from Beautyforever in the description box, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.